Hello, hi everybody. Today I have come here into the mountains. What you see behind me is the Dalodar range, and I just thought I'll set up a base camp here and take a chance to explore something in the wilderness around. So, the last time I have come here was about 2 or 3 years ago, and that time, just as I was exploring here with some other friends of mine, we happened to find and see Himalayan cox and monal. In fact, even this morning when I was walking up here, early in the morning, I had seen a monal, and but then sadly I couldn't capture it because it just quickly flew away from where I was standing. But it was definitely a spectacular view, and it is just amazing to find this wildlife in their natural habitat. So I was thinking, after setting up the camp here, I will take another chance to walk around and explore the place. Maybe if I find something, probably I could show you something. Right now I'm just going little up into the mountains to find if there is something that I can see and spot. Let's see. So as I was just walking up, I just heard some bird. I was thinking it could be either Himalayan monal or maybe snowcock, Himalayan snowcock, but I couldn't really recognize the bird call properly so far. So immediately I just turned around onto my left side of the mountain and I started walking onto this direction. So let's go forward and see if we can find this bird. In the direction that I was moving, I just found a spot here and started observing. So since I was not very sure what bird it could be, I was just trying to calculate and think about how do I identify this bird. So sometimes when you don't know or when you can't see the bird, what you can think is, you can imagine about what kind of habitat each bird lives in. And as per Himalayan monal, they mostly take shelter in either bushy areas or maybe under the trees in the forest regions. And if it is a snowcock, it would probably prefer more rocky regions high up in the mountains. And also the monal lives high up in the mountains, but unlike the snowcock, it chooses to probably find a place in the forest region or in the grassy fields and like bushy areas mostly. The snowcock tries to find a place near the cliffs because for its safety it also finds a place where it can just fly off in terms of any emergency or any threat from other wild animals. And likewise, even Monal, just to be careful and also avoid threat from other animals. It can simply either fly off up into the tree line and hide between the trees, or even the grassy areas and the bushy areas. So, as per my thoughts, I was thinking this could be a monal, and I just again took my binoculars and started observing the area. And I also took some photographs. Also, to sometimes, if you cannot really see through your naked eye or a binocular, what you could do is take a camera and just take some pictures of the area that you are surveying, so that even at the moment of clicking the picture you might not see it, but later if you go through the picture properly, maybe you'll find something later. So in this way, pictures and videos do help in finding the wildlife and birds and everything else in the wilderness. So with methods like this, you can keep practicing and do more research and surveying in the wilderness, and learn about these wild beings and wild creatures. Thank you.